Hi guys, I'm Ashley. Do you want to experience a thinner and more portable advertising backdrop? Let's meet our X-Quick system, namely foldable SCG fabric frame, an upgrade from our traditional system. So you can see this is the 85mm width material and this is the 40mm width. So it's more portable and light. Our X-Quick system has a foldable structure, so let's assemble it. Just fold it out and stretch it up and mount the pole. It's very simple, right? Look here. Here is the side connectors and springs. Just press it and rotate. Then you can get a small backdrop. There's no need for tools, no need to disassemble. You won't lose any parts. So, what are your thoughts on our X-Quick system? Share ideas in your comments. If you want to know more, you can follow me.